Good morning, dear student. I, Aditya Bhatt, Assistant Professor in Sage Industry, Bhopal. I'm a faculty of School of Engineering and Technology Department. Here I am taking engineering drawing subject, and our today topic is scale. Previous lecture is also based on scale, where we have learned what is the scale, what is the type of the scale, what is the size of the scale. So now in today lecture series, we will discuss about what is plane scale. Because we know the type of the scale, basically the size of the scale is full size scale, reducing size scale, and enlarging scale. After that, we know the type of the scale is plane scale, diagonal scale, vernier scale, comparative scale, and a scale of chord. So now today here we discuss about plane scale. Plane scale is like a simple plastic scale. We have used in our box, geometry box. Generally, we carry a plane scale. So, but in engineering drawing, plane scale is a scale which is used to measure up to two consecutive units. It means two continuous units. So either it is a main unit or it subunit. Either it is a main unit or it is a subunit. For now, suppose I am taking here 1 centimeter. I am taking here 1 centimeter. That means the consecutive unit 1 centimeter is after that centimeter is millimeter. Clear? So plane scale, it is a very simple scale which used to measure up to 2 unit. For example, 2 unit like meter and decimeter, kilometer and hectometer, feet and inch. So I'm taking here a problem which is based on plane scale. So now focus on this slide and watch very carefully what is the step I'm using here, and I will tell you each and everything here. So first we read a question and try to identify what is the data given in this problem. First is problem we read a 3.2 centimeter long line represent a length of 4 meter. That means what is given this on this statement? A 3.2 centimeter long line. That means we draw 3.2 centimeter long line, but actual length of the line is 4 meter. It is our RF. RF is very simple. It's given in this problem. 3.2 centimeter long line represent a length of 4 meter. Next we read, extend this line to measure length up to 25 meter. So now here, what is the meaning of up to 25 meter? The meaning of up to 25 meter is, it is given, it is a maximum length. So now in this problem, RF is given, maximum length is given. Further read. And we know very well, if RF and maximum length both are given in the problem, we can calculate length of a scale, because we know length of a scale is a multiplication of RF into maximum length. Now next we read the question. So on a unit in 5 meter, meter and 5 meter. So according to this statement, so on unit, meter and 5 meter, it is our least count or a result. This is drawn on the scale. Clear? And so the length of the 17 meter. This is our final target. Final target is our 17 meter. So now question is clear. What is RF? What is maximum length? What is length of scale? And what is least count? 4 points are given in this problem. So now first we calculate RF of the. First we calculate RF of the. First we calculate RF of the scale. So now RF of the scale is length on drawing in centimeter upon actual length of an object in centimeter. So now it's 3.2 centimeter upon 4 meter is equal to 3.2 centimeter upon 4 by into 100 meter converted into centimeter, because we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So now RF is 8 by 1000 or 1 by 125, and RF is unitless because both are given in the centimeter. Now next we calculate length of scale. We know length of scale is RF into maximum length in centimeter. So now multiply 1 by 1 upon 125 into 25, convert meter into centimeter. So now final target is our, what is the final? Final is 20 centimeter. So now our length of scale is 20 centimeter. So now, first of all, you will draw a line which is equal to 20 centimeter. So now this is the line which is equal to 20 centimeter. And now move to focus on the least count. Least count is given meter and 5 meter. That means we need n number of part, and n number of part is equal to 5 meter. And our maximum length is 25 meter. So 25 meter divided by 5 meter, that means total n number of part is 5. So you will divide this line into n number of equal part, and n number of part is 5. So you will take a supporting line, and with the help of supporting line, you will divide this line. So now the length of scale is converted into 5 part. Now each portion will be represented by 5 meter. Each portion represented by 5 meter. So we will mention here 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So we will read main unit. We read main unit is always 0 to right, and we read sub unit is always 0 to left. So in first block we will divide it into sub unit. So now sub unit is our total 5. Now again we use the supporting line and divide it into 5 part, and marking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now this is our plane scale has been completed. Now what is our target? Our target is 17 meter. 17 meter. So we read 15 plus 2. 15 is our main unit, 2 is our sub unit. So 15 will meet 0 to right, and 2 will meet 0 to left. So now I'm taking here, it is our 15, and now this portion is 2. So this is the distance. This is the actual, what we want in this problem. So this is our result. So now marking the result here, 17 meter. So now plane scale has been completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you very much.